Why don't you ever play hide and seek with a Lamborghini Urus and a Rolls-Royce Cullinan? Because no matter where they hide, you'll always find them in the lap of luxury. And now, let us look at 11 critical differences between the two. Let's compare the differences between Lamborghini Urus versus Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Difference 1. The first difference is in the manufacturing brands themselves. The Lamborghini Urus is made by an Italian manufacturing company, known for its high-end, luxurious sports vehicles, while the Rolls-Royce Cullinan is produced by a British manufacturer that is famous for their ultra-luxury automobiles. Difference 2. The Urus sports a 4.0 LV8 engine that delivers a whopping 641 horsepower, making it one of the most potent SUVs on the market. On the other hand, the Cullinan features a 6.75 LV12 engine with 563 horsepower, aiming for smooth power delivery and quiet operation rather than outright performance. Difference 3. In terms of speed, the Urus is faster, boasting a top speed of 190 miles per hour compared to the Cullinan's top speed of 155 miles per hour. Difference 4. When it comes to the interior design, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan has a much more opulent, traditional luxury and classic design full of wood and leather. Meanwhile, the Lamborghini Urus features a more contemporary design with a sportier feel. Difference 5. The Urus can achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.6 seconds, whereas the Cullinan takes about 4.5 seconds, highlighting the Urus's sportier nature. Difference 6. The Cullinan stands taller than the Urus, providing its passengers with better outward visibility, while the Urus has a more streamlined, aerodynamic design. Difference 7. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Urus has a slight edge with a combined MPG of 14, while the Cullinan offers an estimated 13 MPG combined. Difference 8. The base price of the Urus is lower than the Cullinan, with the former starting around $200,000 and the latter starting at around $330,000. Difference 9. The Urus offers a sportier drive with speed and agility as key focuses, while the Cullinan provides a more comfortable and luxurious ride, with emphasis on tranquility and calmness. Difference 10. Rolls-Royce is known for bespoke customization, allowing for almost limitless customizability down to the minutest detail. While the Lamborghini Urus offers a wide range of customization options, it can't match the almost limitless personalization options by Rolls-Royce. Difference 11. While both the cars are four-wheel drive, the driving experience is different. The Urus has various driving modes, including a dedicated off-road mode, and while Rolls-Royce Cullinan also performs adequately off-road, it is more geared towards on-road comfort.